Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Baheti from Team 8. Here we present our application Food Care. Meeting our team, we have tried focusing on each of the aspects to build an application. So we have some front-end developers, back-end developers, and people who would focus on marketing and business as well. This is the United Nations goal that we target to focus to end goal number 2 to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve the nutrition to the people around the world. The pandemic has really left people with no jobs. Some people have been laid off and are unable to meet their day ends. Some small scale food producers are not able to access the resources and don't have enough money as well. So they're not able to produce food, leading to food insecurity in the market. So before proceeding with our idea, we have conducted a survey, an interview with various people, and we got some responses where people were willing to donate to charity organization or a food bank. So we have proceeded with an idea to create an ecosystem which would help people who want to donate food and people who are in the need of food. These are various problems that we have solved. We have helped people donate food with the ease of being at their home, and we have tried focusing on the safe and contactless way to donate in this pandemic. Our targeted audience is people who wish to donate the food and people who wish to uh, get the donations. The key matrices we focus on is number of people donating food and number of people receiving the donations. Unique value proposition is during the pandemic, we have been compliant with the COVID-19 health authority guidelines, and we have also managed to give our customer the ease to donate food from home. Our unfair advantage would be we have well established connections with the local food banks and charity organizations. A customer segment would be early professionals who have been recently laid off, people with seasonal jobs that don't have the income throughout the year. And to get the donations, we try to partner with some event management companies to get our food from. Uh, Talking about channels, we have a web application that we serve as a platform. We also plan to circulate some flyers and social media advertisement as well. Our email marketing would help us gain some customers as well. This is a cost structure. We would need 2 months of initial development that would and some infrastructures that would need $40,000 for the initial cost. For the monthly cost recurring, we are 6 developers, so we have some development cost, and apart from that, we have some variable cost as well, totaling to 24,000 a month. We have tried. We'll be having a subscription-based revenue, so each month we are getting targeting a $25,000 revenue from our application. So feasibility is we have a self-sustained product. We have $1,000 initial profit every month, but provided we get $40,000 of funding for a 20% stake that we can offer. We have future. We have tried of future expansions as well. We accept monetary donations, which we are not currently right now, and we're trying expanding it worldwide to achieve food security and help people around the world. Now going to a product demo.
Thank you, Rishabh. Hello everyone, my name is Tapan Prajapati and I'm going to demonstrate our website FoodCare. So this is the homepage of our website. We have two buttons in our homepage. One is to make a donation and another one is to see all the items available in our organization. So in order to donate items, a user have to enter their details. They will select a pickup date where our volunteer can uh, go to that date and particular time to pick up the donation. They can add the items. Let's assume that I am donating bread. I'll select the category of the product, description and the quantity that I am donating today. I can upload an image as well. So after adding all the items, uh, I just need to hit the donate now and my request will be placed. So that was for one kind of user, the, that are the donors. For the second type of user, who are the needy people, so in order to make a request to the organization, they have to first of all sign up with our organization. Since I have already created an account, I'll demonstrate using that account. So after logging into the website, they can go to the products. Here they will see all the items that are available to us. Here they can see the recently donated items as well. Now in order to create an order, first of all users have to add some items into the cart. So here I am adding potato and broccoli. Now I have to go to the cart page. Here they will see the items that they have added into the cart. Now I'll proceed to checkout. Again user have to enter the detail in order to complete the order. Now this is the time and date where their order will be ready, so that they can go to the food bank and pick up their order. I am selecting any random date and time. So that's it, their order has been successfully placed. They can go to the respective time slot to pick up their order. So that's it, this is the our website of our organization, that's Foodcare. Thank you so much.